What role has it played? I'd say Yiddish over the last 3 to 4 decades has become an increasingly important part of Jewish studies. You can see that by looking at course catalogs, at programs at the Association for Jewish Studies. You can see that a lot of, there's more and more people studying Yiddish, literature, language, culture. They're more doing it. There is wonderful, in the quality of the work and the quantity of the work just grows and grows and grows. What role should it play? It should play more of the same. So I think there should be more faculty hired, more programs created, more money given to make these things happen. And I would like to see, beyond that, I'd like to see in the academy and beyond, efforts made to develop Yiddish language fluency on some level. Fluency can mean different things, different ways of gauging fluency, but make so that Yiddish is part of the mainstream of American Jewish life. Not that the majority of Jews will be able to read it or speak it. That's probably unrealistic, but that that an important minority will be able to read it and speak it, and that all American Jews will regard Yiddish as central to American Jewish culture.